out with old. This was my old pan. All right. This one was rock something. And in with the Nutrichef. I'm so excited to be using this. Today's meal prep is going to be done 100% with these new stir fry pans. I can't wait. This was my old, I don't even know what brand this one is. This one was my old 8-inch. All right. Or is this 10-inch? I don't know. But this one, oh, yep. I don't know, somewhere in between. But again, this was my old one. These are my new ones. Time to level up your cooking game if you're really serious about cooking good food.